Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take the screenshots without snipping tool by using the short keys. For this, we're simply going to use our window, shift and the S. Just click on these three screenshots by together and here you just need to drag and drop. Suppose I just want this screenshot, I just drag here and here you can see my screenshot is taken, and if I want to paste it anywhere, like I want to paste it here in the Google search, I simply click on here and paste my screenshot in the Google Lens. Here you can see my screenshot is pasted here, and you can easily search it from your Google Lens and somewhere else. Same like from your Google web pages, you can easily use this shortcut to get your screenshots. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity. I take